I know I just been waiting. These problems I've been facing, yeah. I know I just been waiting.
Alright guys, so right now Bartek needs a fresh look for his car after crashing it into so many curbs. Minimal prep, great results. Not even too bad. It'll be good. I got the piece of paper to, you know. Okay. Sit here. I will hold this and then shoot there. Yeah. Side. Oh, maybe not. It'll blow off the can. Very cold. Yeah. It's like it's like 0 degrees Celsius right now. It is very, very cold. Don't do this at home, kids. It's not safe. It says right there it'll explode. It's inflammable. Show the flame. Okay, now shake it. Yeah, that's... Oh, tripwire. Yeah. That's the Canadian method. We do that in Canada. Nice. Good job. Oh, it's fucking mid, boys. Start the match now, too. Remember to keep your threads clean, kids. Oh. It's like I never touched it.
I know I just been waiting. These problems I've been facing, these drugs that I've been slinging, I can't stop. Now my soul is set ablazing. This fire, I can take it. My problems, I just face them. I won't stop. Yeah. Now you need a bump to get back up. Now we chillin'.
So, tiny bit of backstory. I was driving home with the boys after that music video. There will be a link to that, and we were leaving the final spot. We just dropped off the E36 because the E46 suffered a torn subframe, as well as the battery dying a couple times. After we dropped off the E46, me and the owner, we were driving in my compact, and the window wasn't really sitting on the window motor very well, and it just so happened to rather than sitting straight, it kind of sat like that, up and down. We moved forward, and the window just exploded. And luckily I was turned away, because otherwise I think I might have got my eye taken out or something. It cut up my hand a little bit, as you guys saw it in that video, if you watched it. And yeah, like a couple days later, I got this. All right, my new window came in. That's it right there. 3mm plexiglass. A little disappointed they did not give a sticker, but Inter-Rally PL, bought on Allegro. We'll see how good this relay is. Alright, so we're here in my garage. This is a new light that my girlfriend got me. I love it. When I opened up the trunk, glass shards flew out like little crystals. So we got the vacuum here, vacuuming this up. There's so much glass everywhere. I wasn't able to finish yet. My vacuum started giving up. So here we have a piece of plexiglass from Inter-Rally PL. It is 3mm thick, as I said before, and yeah, didn't come with any stickers. Really sad. See that? You peel that off and you got a clear window. Alright, so it's here. Looks pretty good. Very clear. That's what I like. That's what the car needs. That is Shimon's. He's a dirty litterer and littered on the track, so I had to pick it up after him and bring it back. I'm gonna leave that on top of his car later. And litter some more, I guess, because I'm technically just leaving it outside. Or under his car. I don't know. We'll leave it by his car later. Alright, well, window is in. I vacuumed more of the car. I need to go to a gas station to get all these pieces or whatever. But, I mean, closing it, there is a slight issue. I'm hoping that with time and, like, heat from the sun, it'll fix itself. I just need to, like, use both hands to, push this up. Alright, so I got it in with both hands. It's actually good. Here's some kitty footprints. Yeah, I'm pretty hyped about this. I cut a hole here so that I can reach in there if I have to. Gonna have to vacuum all of that out. And then I'll show you guys in a bit, but got a new switch over here. And it should be good. But fitment good, easy to install. Really, yeah, I don't know. Check out all our friends. Check out After Hours Supply Co. Team Driftify. M Tuning is our biggest supplier of parts out here. Night Ride, dope clothes. Musk, dope cars. Crazy wide bodies. Tofu Power, good guys. Team Cute, Style Kings, Swag Gear, got some good stuff too. Driftify, make sure to check them out. Good stuff. More skids, some YouTube OGs. I lost my stars though in my S. After Hours, I need a new one. And then we got the Team Hoochie, boys from the States. They know how to drive. So, I bought these on Allegro. See that? So, each one of these was about, I want to say, $3, $4. So I just bought 4 of them, wired them up to a switch off of a fuse, and now I have fog lights. It cost me 60 zloty shipped, which is about 20 Canadian dollars for 4 of these lights, and then 2 fit on each side in the fog light pods. I'll show you guys in a second. And the light is actually really good. They're halogens, so anti-fog, anti-night, they'll work pretty good. So now you have all 4. Then these are the new fog lights. I still have to position them in the right orientation. Like these ones are going off to the side more. Those ones are more straight. You can see the beams of light, how different they are. But it's definitely more. All right, so now you can really see those guys shoot off more to the side. Now these are my low beams. They go down the middle, and then we have high beams that fill in the gap. So there might be a little dark spot there and there, but overall we're gonna have a lot more visibility. This is what it looked like before, right? So that's a big difference in light, especially to the sides. And then this is what I normally drove around like with just my low beams. So even that's a huge difference, adding these fog lights. So for night drifting, this is gonna be a big game changer. And that's that, and then this is just these lights. Even just these lights, that's a lot of light. Better than the low beams, to be completely honest. It's cool.
Facing these drugs that I've been slanging, I can't stop. Now my soul is set ablaze in this fire. I can take it. My problems, I just face them. I won't stop. Yeah. Now you need a bump to get back up. Now we chillin' in the backseat and we both fucked up. Yeah, we headed back to Knocker, but we both want love. But I can't show love, cause I ain't bout that shit. Nah, now we chillin' in the corner of the room.
Plexiglass window is in. New fog lights are working. Very hyped on how these came out. Will be good to have more light. And I'm happy with this. Fits good. Works how it should. The window looks clean. Thank you guys for watching this little video. I hope you guys have a great night, and please like, comment, and subscribe.
In the backseat and we both fucked up. Yeah, we headed back to Knocker, but we both want love. But I can't show love, cause I ain't bout that shit. Nah, now we chillin' in the corner of the room. I ain't even off the molly or the coke or the shrooms. I'll be sipping on my syrup, I'll be smoking.